Hey everyone, welcome to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But now let's get right in today's topic, which is regarding Pepe. We're going to be analyzing what is going on today, May 10th, and really see what is happening with Pepe and where we potentially could be going as we approach the weekend. As always, you guys are showing tremendous amount of support. Continue showing the support and I will continue making these updates for you guys. I know you guys are enjoying these updates, so continue supporting me and I will continue bringing these out for you guys. So without further ado, let's look at what's happening with Pepe. So starting off with its price, you guys can see there's still about 5 zeros in front of the price, but we are currently sitting at 190. It's up 5.1% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also up 2% in Bitcoin and Ethereum comparative over the last 24 hours. And, if we're looking at its market cap, the market cap is sitting very strong at that $800 million mark, which I really like. And, it has been holding quite stagnant around here in the sense, of course, its retracement within its price from all-time highs. And the 24-hour trading volume is currently sitting at half of its market cap, which is at $400 million. So now, of course, let's shift our focus towards the price to see what is happening, what is going on, what are some next news that we should be paying attention to. So before I jump into the charts, guys, I wanted to share this with you guys. I know if you are part of the community, you might have already heard this. So Gemini, guys, Gemini has come out and listed a Pepe, and this is massive. This is bigger than ever in my personal opinion. I'm not sure if they listed it, but they have made this announcement where they have an astronaut and that Pepe meme coin logo photoshopped in there, and that is creating a lot of buzz. And this is what I've been talking about. I told you guys from the beginning, a lot of these exchanges, guess what they do? They are all competitors to one another. And, Pepe being a coin that has launched, just 3 weeks back, almost approaching a month's time next week. So 3 weeks right now, guys, it has been since this coin has been in the markets. And, it has made history, hit a $2 billion market cap, got listed on Binance, crypto.com, and, now Gemini, and there's a lot of other exchanges that have already listed. And, these exchanges, they don't want their competitors coming and taking a majority of the profit in terms of trading fees. So they are going to list it, and now we have seen Gemini, and I think Coinbase is on the table next, and that is going to open massive doors for Pepe, and I really do believe that is going to really impact the price, and even Gemini is going to impact, because this opens up a lot of doors for the project Pepe. So now we're of course going to analyze the chart, see what is happening, where we potentially could be going in the immediate short term. But before I get into that, guys, you guys know that anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrencies. So if we're looking at Pepe right now, you guys can see the holder count is increasing as days go by. We're currently sitting at 108,117 holders. We are up almost 1% over the last 24 hours in terms of holders. And who knows if we could be even hitting 150 by the end of this week, obviously after Sunday. So, the growth is still there. The hype factor is still there. Like I said, Pepe has started the biggest meme coin, bull run of all time. We've never seen something like this, and we're seeing other meme coins that are coming and making life-changing gains for a lot of people. I spoke about Ben yesterday, and that has made a lot of people really, really wealthy in just a matter of a short time. But now we're going to be analyzing the chart, see what is happening and where I could potentially see Pepe going in the very near future. So if I'm looking at the charts right now on the hourly time frame and analyzing the chart, you guys can see since the price has come down to this, of course that was a resistance previously, and now that has been playing as a level of support. So basically to simplify this, you guys can see since May 8th we have been consolidating within this range, and I like that. To be quite frank with you guys, that is totally fine. This consolidation is very healthy, and that shows that the momentum is still on its side. And of course people are going to come and make the statement that it has dipped about 50%, but remember, it's up thousands and thousands of percent, and it's almost sitting still at $1 billion market valuation. Of course people are going to sell the news. There's going to be people that bought the news before it was even listed on these big exchanges. And of course, when these big exchanges listed, people are going to take profits, and you cannot get mad at them. Kudos to everyone that has taken profits, that has made life-changing gains. I support you guys, and you guys have done the right thing. But what is next for Pepe? Like I said, holder count is growing as day goes by. Also, the more and more exchanges are coming up and supporting Pepe, implementing it on their exchanges so users can, take access to it. Because, I'm getting tons of comments coming in. A lot of people still don't know how Uniswap or all these swap works. And the trading fees, that can really screw up a lot of people. So this is where the exchanges listing comes in, and it's easier for people to buy. And now that's what we're seeing happening, and more people will have their hands on Pepe. And I think this is just the absolute start in terms of the upside potential for Pepe. I really strongly believe that Pepe has what it takes to come and knock on the door for Shiba Inu, which is a market cap of $5.4 billion mark. And considering Pepe already had a $2 billion market valuation just 2 or 3 days ago at its all-time high. So look at the bigger picture. I really do believe, obviously the narrative and the entire goal of the community at this point is, it's going to kill Shiba Inu. And in cryptocurrency, guys, anything is possible. And I really do believe that Pepe has what it takes to come knocking on the door for Shiba Inu, and that is going to be very exciting to see. And of course, it's going to make history, but is it going to hold above there forever? It depends, guys. That's one thing I want you guys to keep in mind. A lot of people are coming in saying, it's gonna, of course, crack past Shiba Inu, and I personally think so too. I really do think, and again, this is just my own personal opinion, but considering what we have seen, the legs are on its side and the momentum is on its side, and if more and more exchanges ramp this up, I really do believe Shiba Inu is in danger in terms of getting its spot taken. But is it going to hold? Are people not going to take profits? Remember, we're at the beginning of the bull cycle, so if Pepe continues its upside, and I do believe that it's going to start consolidating for a few months eventually, and that's what we saw last time with Shiba Inu too. If you guys are not remembering, late 2021, before it got listed on Coinbase, we saw Shiba Inu start consolidating for quite some time, and then it started going parabolic, where it went up 3 to 4x in a single day. I'm sure if you guys were there last bull cycle, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So we will see something similar happen, in my personal opinion. But I'm liking what I'm seeing with Pepe, and I can expect more upside very soon. And this consolidation phase that we're seeing right now is exactly what you want to be seeing. It has not been going down straight, and we started consolidating, and I'm all for it. We're close to $1 billion market cap, and hopefully we can crack past that $1 billion market valuation very soon. I think that is going to, of course, help and really kickstart for us to see that next leg up, especially all-time highs. But let me know down below what you guys think. Where could you see the price of Pepe going? And do not forget to smash that like button. I love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.